Welcome to week 4. By the end of the week, you will be halfway through this course. This week, our focus is monitoring and assessing student progress. By the end of week 4, you will have looked at creating teacher-designed assessments, including self-assessments, pre-assessments, formative assessments, summative assessments, and academic language assessments. You will understand the purpose, timing, and data of each of these assessments and how it will be used in the classroom. And you will complete another section of our interdisciplinary lesson plan. And this week, of course, we're focusing on the assessment sections. Let's take a look at week 4 assignments. You are to read chapter 6, which is Assessment Planning Authentic and Traditional Strategies, pages 149 through 164. This chapter discusses several authentic assessment techniques, as well as other items that are useful in assessing the student's progress. You are to view the websites and articles that are on Moodle that are related to assessment. These will help you complete the assignments. These are the monitoring types. This is an Edutopia article. Strategies for helping students motivate themselves. Types of summative assessment and formative assessment. Formative and summative assessments. And FIP, formative instructional practices. Your forum this week is what is the difference between self-assessment, formative, and summative assessment. You need to choose one type of each and explain how you would use it in your classroom. And 4.2 is to complete the lesson plan sections on assessment. So let's look at the example lesson plan and go to the assessment sections. You're going to have that pre-assessment. What are you going to do to figure out what the students know and don't know? You're going to describe what you're going to do. This particular lesson, they use a KWL chart. Why are you using this assessment? Well, you want to assess prior knowledge in a pre-assessment. What is your skill, your goal, your learning outcome that you're going to measure? Now remember that these assessments tie back to those measurable learning outcomes that you wrote in week 3. What kind of feedback will there be? And how will you use the data that you get from this pre-assessment for future planning? What will you do? Those categories are under each assessment: the description, the skill, goal, learning outcomes to be measured, why you're using it, feedback, and how the data will be used. So you're going to fill out the pre-assessment, formative assessment, summative assessment, and the assessment of academic language and language demand. How are you going to assess that? Again, chapter 6 is a great resource, as are the articles that are on Moodle for week 4. If you have any questions, please ask me. My goal is for you to be successful. I look forward to seeing your plans. Thank you.